Hey guys, we're at Title Alliance with my seller Carol and her husband who just stepped out for a break. We just closed escrow on Des Moines Street,
Yes.
utilizing Subject 2. And Carol's here to tell you guys why Subject 2 was so helpful for her and moving on to her next transition.
Okay. The best thing about this is that it gave us an opportunity where we were not offered by any other company an opportunity to get a little bit of money out of our house, and Pace worked through some real significant issues. If you're not doing this, you're missing out and losing a lot of potential clients, potential buyers, sellers, whatever. I'm amazed at the fact that we had a lien on our property and Pace helped us walk through it. We had people come in and lowball us so low. I mean, I
Like
cried.
$100,000 lower than what you owe,
Yeah,
right?
exactly. And I'm thinking, gosh, my house isn't that bad. I have so many memories here. And he walked us through it, and he helped us, and he showed up at our place where nobody else would even come to our door. We'd ask people, well, would you come and look at our property? It's not that bad, and Pace came. So as a seller, I would recommend Pace and his team in a heartbeat. They've made my dream come true.
Thank you. We love you guys. So guys, if you're not using creative financing, what you're missing out on are amazing emotional income situations like this, feeling like you've actually solved somebody's problem. What most people did when I first got in touch with you and your husband is I found out that most people were lowballing you $100,000 under what you owed.
Right.
Or even kind of best case scenario, you had companies like American Homes for Rent that would come along and say, hey, we'll take over your house, but you need to pay us to go and rent it out.
Right.
Then you would also get some real estate agents that would say, why don't you fix it, do this, do that, and still at the end of the day, you're gonna have to write a check to get rid of your house.
Right. Pretty much.
Right, so our team comes along, pays $100,000 more than anybody else,
Right.
puts money in your pocket. We walk through here at Title Alliance today,
Right.
close escrow, and now you guys get to stay in the property for what, like a week or 10 days?
Right.
Until,
Exactly.
Right?
I don't even have to move out like tomorrow. My cats and I are not having to haul off in carriers. We have a little bit of time. And
So if you were talking to a real estate investor, one of the 50 real estate agents that were texting you, calling you, if you could tell them to learn one thing, what would you tell them to learn?
Subject to.
Love it.
It's just amazing. Thank you so much.
We love you guys.
Thank you.
We want to take care of you. So guys, take a look at Subject 2 and creative financing because you're going to be able to help a lot more people down the line rather than just being the one guy that's sending these icky offers. I don't feel good when I send out icky offers, the lowball offers that don't do anybody any good. I feel great when we can solve people's problems and be customer facing, which is what creative financing and Subject 2 is all about. And you know what? If you guys want to see how we've done this on other properties, more specifically, there's a house on Mercury that we did a walkthrough, construction walkthrough, and how we helped another seller in this situation. Click the link below to go watch that case study.